Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
We are crazy.
So today, as you all can see, the preparations.
This is a little bit burnt, but
it's charred. It's okay. It's gonna add flavor.
You can say so.
Spirit. So today we are having a pizza challenge. I'm going to make a paneer tikka pizza. This is my paneer marinade. And you're going to make?
I'm gonna make a paneer jhalar kind of a pizza. Vegetable plus paneer mixed pizza.
Yeah.
I don't know what exactly, no names for me as of
like
now.
He's making a normal vegetable pizza but with a kick of paneer in it.
On it.
So you all will get to see what he's going to do with it. So let's start. So this is my base, which I've just...
you don't need to show it on both the sides, you know.
No,
and
I toasted it on the pan, and he also did the same.
But mine got a little bit burnt.
I told you it's charred. It's gonna add flavor. So your Mado has started toasting his pizza base to make it a little more crispier before preparing the pizza and then popping it in the oven. So turn by turn we'll be toasting our pizzas on the same pan, and here he is using this vessel, this bowl type of thing, to press down the pizzas to harden the crust of it. So y'all can see he's applying butter gradually and hardening it. Y'all can use this technique. It works every single time and we swear by it. We are using this technique since years. And here you can see his pizza. Like you'll see in a minute that his pizza got, like, not pizza but the base got burnt a little bit. But once it was all put together, it did not have that burnt taste to it. In fact, it was tasting really good. And now you can see it's my turn to make the pizza base crunchy, and mine turned out perfect because of course years and years of practice. This was Mado's first time making it, so I think according to that he also did a really good job. Now let's move on to the assembling. So I'm going to start by applying a layer of mayonnaise on my pizza. You want to?
No. And I'm going to apply this pizza paste. That is the best I got for myself.
And it's actually the best. We've been using it since the longest time.
Yeah.
In India also we were using this. And it has both gen and non-gen available.
Yeah.
We've got it from India. It's not from here.
I love my Indian.
Okay, so the mayonnaise layer is done. So the second step, I'm adding some pizza base, which is gen.
But
again.
as it is, that is gen or what? That is not gen.
That is gen.
Gen?
Gen. And the recipe also. So I'm going to generously spread the pizza sauce. So now you're going to add your toppings to it. And I'm
actually planning first to add cheese and then the toppings.
So I've made this paneer tikka marinade specially for this. I'm going to share the clip with you guys now. So just go and watch how I made it. So to make the paneer tikka marinade, here I have approximately 100 grams of paneer or cottage cheese. And I have diced it into small cubes. And added almost like 1.5 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi or curd, whatever you like to call it. Then I've taken some turmeric, some red chili powder, some garam masala, and some kasuri methi. I'm not giving any particular measurements for the masalas. I've added some salt, some ginger powder, a dash of vegetable oil, and almost a little bit of lemon juice. Here I have some tomatoes, capsicum and baby corns. You can take whichever veggies you like to include. You can take even the red and yellow bell peppers. You can add onions if you all eat onion and garlic. And then you just have to mix it up really well. I am using a glove here for hygiene reasons. And then we will put a saline wrap or a cling wrap on it and let it marinate for at least 3 hours. So after 3 to 4 hours, when you're ready to make the pizza, we have to just lightly fry the marinade that we prepared. So for that, in a pan you have to heat up some oil and add the marinade mixture to it and let it cook for only 5 minutes, not more than that, because we don't want the cottage cheese to become chewy. And also I would like to mention one more thing. You do not need to keep this marinade in the refrigerator while it is marinating. You can keep it outside just at room temperature. That is fine. And here you can see it looks so delicious, and trust me guys, it also tastes as good as it looks.
And I have not grated this cheese, but do take it into consideration.
Yeah. Okay, so now that you all have seen the process, I'm just going to spread this out. Third layer is done. Looks good. And now thankfully he's left some cheese for my pizza. Oh, and our oven is preheated, so it's calling us. And then next step, I have some green chilies here to add some Indian kick to it.
And I am going to add chili flakes and oregano. I'm totally Italian, you know.
Yeah, right.
Hasta la pasta.
फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
Hasta la pasta.
For me,
Pasta
it's
la.
all Indian. Oh, Indian.
Pasta la pasta. Wow.
Yum.
This looks like sev puri.
What? What?
Yeah.
Shut up. And I have some mixed herbs over here. So I'm going to just sprinkle some mixed herbs to give it that pizza type of taste.
See, I told you it's sev puri. She's adding that so she can give a type of taste. A pizza type of
negative
taste.
In a competition. Guys, did I let him down? In fact, I was boosting his spirits when he said his pizza was burnt. Anyways, it's okay. Such a bad competitive. Okay, so now let's pop them inside the oven and we'll be back.
So meanwhile the pizza is getting baked inside the oven, I'm just preparing the
Paneer
jhalar.
For that you need a very hot pan.
I hope it works out.
It will. And you just have to grate the paneer randomly like this, but make sure that it's joined to each other, like all the strands are connecting each other. Now you have to let it harden up.
Harden up a little bit for maybe half a minute or something. Chef Meadow is over here and my assistant is filming it.
Yes. See, it started becoming brown. And don't worry, it's getting crispy. It's not getting burnt. And the crispier it is, the better it will taste, guys.
Most difficult part.
Main time.
I'm doing it.
Ooh, it's gonna look so satisfying. Take the bigger one, Maddo, big spatula. Finally, the chef listens to the assistant, who is actually the chef. Wow.
Now you
flip
can
it.
see.
Flip, flip, flip. Oh my god, guys, look at this.
Wow, it looks like a star.
It looks like a snowflake.
Snowflake,
zoomed
actually.
100 times. Okay, so our pizzas are also almost ready.
All ready to take out the pizza.
Woohoo!
Let's go.
My god.
It's looking so
perfect.
Pizza is actually out of the oven and I really
so
didn't
good.
expect this to be so
That was just an inch away from the sink.
my pizza went flying.
Hold it. It's a flying pizza, guys.
Now the final step for my pizza is this, the paneer jhalar.
Snowflake paneer.
Snowflake paneer. Now is the time. Ta-da!
You can hear the crunch, guys. It's so crunchy. Crispy.
It's crispy. Mamma.
Oh, look at that cheese pull. Whoa.
Like it's still stuck.
Yeah.
My turn.
Let's go and wash.
Mamma mia, पेश करता no. Sunfeast, no sunfeast. Hainels, pizza treat.
We are crazy
Pizza treat. अरे पण मारू देखाड़ दी ने. We are crazy pizza treat.
Yeah, much better.
A little Italy inside out Dubai.
Okay.
Whoa. Yet
Nice.
again.
The
Look at the
thick crust kind of.
juices.
It's not bending.
From the paneer tikka.
Chickle.
Okay.
Cheers, bro.
It's gonna be hot.
The mozzarella actually sticks on you. Yumma mia. Now let's taste each other's.
That trading.
Insiders trading.
Cheers.
Because yours is much better than mine.
Yours is also good, but it's the normal, organic.
Normal.
It's
It's
the
okay.
original pizza,
Yeah.
which
you can
everyone loves. No, it's actually good. And the best part is the crispiness of the base. And I have this pizza tray here, so I thought I'll use it just
Even
for
tough.
fun.
Yummy.
Crunch.
So guys, we already tasted each other's pizza also and ours also, and it was
Chummeshwari.
Chummeshwari performance by both of us.
Both
seriously.
of us. Yeah, I'm so proud of both of us.
Yeah, actually. And this is the very first time I think I am making a pizza.
Pizza, yeah. He's
and
making pizza for the first time.
And
I'm making paneer tikka pizza for the first time.
And it turned out, I hope so, to be good. From the look, it looks good.
And from the taste, I loved it. But
Yeah.
it's up to you all now to make it at home and let us know how you all liked it.
Please comment below on the comment section whose pizza you think is
won.
better.
Whose pizza is the winner, guys? We
Yes.
are leaving it up to y'all.
Thank you,
Guys, you'll have to be honest.
Yours is much better than mine. Already.
No, guys, you'll have to be honest in this. Whose pizza you think has won? And we had an amazing time filming this. Right,
Yeah.
guys, we hope you liked our video today and enjoyed it as much as we did while filming it.
Yes. So if you really like the video, please hit the like button. Please share it with your friends, families, relatives, colleagues, whosoever it is. And please hit the subscribe button, the red big button which is showing down in our video or in the link or wherever it is. And also please press the
Bell.
what is wrong with me?
Press the bell
Icon
below.
to get our new notification videos as and when we are uploading.
And we'll see you guys soon.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Happy Pizza Mania.